Here are some tips and tricks for organizing your dedicated Chrome window for your WCCUSD.net account. So how do I know that this is a dedicated Chrome window? Well, I click in the way upper right hand corner, there's a circle there. Now you may have a picture or you may have something else. You may have your initials. If I click on it, I can see that it says L Roberts at WCCUSD.net. Great, that's what I want. Now I notice that I have another one down here. If I click here, I notice that it says again L Roberts at WCCUSD.net. Down here it says signed out. That's fine, not a problem. I know this is completely dedicated to WCCUSD business. So I know that there are three things that I check all the time. I have my email that I check all the time. I have the Google Drive that I'm always going into, and I also have the calendar that I'm going into. So I'm going to go ahead and pin those tabs. Let me show you how you do that. So I'm going to go to Gmail first. I'm just going to type it gmail.com. And because I'm already logged in to WCCUSD.net, I actually have my Gmail open up already. That's great. Now I'm going to go up to the tab here. So this is a tab very much like you have on a file folder, right? You have that part that sticks up. That's the tab. Same thing with Chrome. I'm going to right click on it and then I'm going to click on pin. You see what it does? It makes it smaller. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open up another tab, and I said that I go to Drive a lot. So I go to drive.google.com. Yes, you can use the waffle to get into any of these as well. This is just my way of doing it. So I'm going to go ahead and pin this tab. Right click, pin. Great. Now I'm going to go ahead and add calendar. So I'm going to add this one from the waffle. Here's calendar. Opens up calendar in the tab. Right click on the tab itself. Pin. Great. Now I have these three that I always go to, and those are saved. Another thing that I like to do is go to the settings for Chrome. So I'm going to click on the kebab, the three dots to the right of your picture. And I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to click on appearance. And what I'm going to do is scroll down a little bit. And on startup, so you should be closing your computer. You should be shutting down your computer and everything on it every night. That's just for good computer health and for your own. I'm going to click on continue where you left off. And what that does is make sure that no matter where I was, whenever I shut it down, whatever tabs were open, those will open up again.